Hey there, welcome back to AI Business Hub. Today, I'm going to show you how to take our customer email response system to the next level with complete automation using Zapier. In our last video, Alice set up Google Forms to collect customer inquiries and used ChatGPT to craft personalized responses. But there was still a manual step. You had to copy and paste those responses into your email. Today, we're eliminating that step completely. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully automated system that collects customer inquiries, generates AI responses, and sends those emails automatically, without you lifting a finger. For those who missed our previous video, here's a quick recap. We created a Google form that collects customer inquiries and stores responses in a Google Sheet. Then we connected that sheet to ChatGPT to generate personalized email responses based on the customer's question. This system already saves hours of work, but today we're making it completely hands-off by adding Zapier to the mix. If you want the full setup, check out our previous video linked in the description. Before we dive in, let's quickly cover what Zapier is for those who haven't used it before. Zapier is a platform that connects different apps and automates workflows between them without requiring any coding knowledge. It uses a trigger action system. When something happens in one app, it automatically triggers an action in another app. For example, when a new row appears in your Google Sheet, that's the trigger. Zapier can automatically send an email. That's the action. Zapier connects with over 5,000 apps, including Google Workspace, ChatGPT, email platforms, CRMs, and much more. It's like having a digital assistant that handles repetitive tasks across all your business tools. The basic plan starts at about £20 per month, but the time savings typically pay for themselves within days for most businesses. First, head to Zapier.com and create an account if you don't already have one. They offer a free plan that lets you try out the basics, but for this automation, you'll eventually need a paid plan because we're using multi-step zaps. Once you're logged in, click on Create to the left and then Zaps. A zap is what Zapier calls an automation workflow. For our trigger, search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose New or Updated Spreadsheet Row as your trigger event. Connect your Google account when prompted. Select the spreadsheet and worksheet where your form responses are being collected. Test the step. Now we need to add an action. Click the plus button if required and search for ChatGPT or OpenAI. Select Send Prompt as your action. Connect your OpenAI account with the API key by clicking Create New Secret Key. Give the new secret key a name and click Create Secret Key and copy the key, which will probably start with SK. Enter your API in Zap. In the prompt field, we'll use the same prompt from our previous video, but we'll use the data from our spreadsheet row, so you will have to match the fields to the spreadsheet. Test the step. You may get an error message that says you have reached your quota. This normally means you haven't paid for any tokens for your API, so you will need to purchase some tokens. This can start at £10. Now for our final step, we'll add another action. Click the plus button again and search for Email or your email provider like Gmail or Outlook. Select Send Email as your action. Connect your email account. Fill in the details. Using your Google Sheet and ChatGPT reference what fields you want to be included in the email response. Before we finish, let's test this workflow to make sure everything works correctly. Click Test Step, and Zapier will run through each step of your automation. Zapier will pull in a recent entry from your Google Sheet, generate a response with ChatGPT, and show you what email would be sent. If everything looks good, click Publish Zap to activate your automation. Let me show you this in action with a real example. As you can see, From the moment the customer submits their inquiry to receiving a personalized response, the entire process is now automated. No human intervention required. Let's talk about the impact this can have on your business. For a typical small business handling 20 customer inquiries per day, this automation can save 1 to 2 hours of work daily. That's 30 to 60 hours per month. The quality remains high because you're using AI that's been prompted with your specific business context, but the process is now completely hands-off. This frees up your customer service team to focus on more complex issues that truly require human attention, while still ensuring every customer receives a prompt, personalized response. Once you've got this basic automation working, here are some ways to enhance it. Add a delay step if you don't want responses to seem too instantaneous. Set up separate zaps for different types of inquiries using filters. Add a CRM step to log the interaction with the customer. Set up notifications for inquiries that might need human review based on keywords. Create a feedback loop by adding a satisfaction survey link to your emails. And there you have it. You've now built a fully automated customer inquiry response system using Google Forms, ChatGPT, and Zapier. This is just one example of how AI and automation can transform your business operations. The same principles can be applied to sales inquiries, appointment scheduling, support tickets, and so much more. If you've implemented this system, I'd love to hear about your results in the comments below. How much time is it saving you? What other business processes are you looking to automate? Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to AI Business Hub for more practical ways to implement AI in your business. Next time, we'll be looking at other ways we can automate your business practices. Thanks for watching and happy zapping!